guys, this is Amy from Jack and Amy Dev, and in this series we have been looking at the different reasons why your extension may have been rejected by the Chrome Web Store. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the all URLs permission and understand how it works and what are the alternatives to use. So, what does all URLs include? When you request this permission, you're actually acquiring access to all the permitted schemes, which are HTTP, HTTPS, file, or FTP. I'm including this match pattern link in the description below. Most of the time, your extension does not need access to all these schemes. So what can you do instead? Prefer specific sites. So let's say that your extension runs on all of Google services like Google Docs, Google Drive, then it would be preferred if you just add the HTTPS asterisk and google.com. Or if you're actually only running it on a website like YouTube, then just specify the site. Sometimes your extension runs even in like 5 different websites, and that is still better than adding all URLs. If you want the extension to run on any website, then it's better to just use HTTP and HTTPS, and this will inject in all the websites. If your extension is actually injecting code into the local file system, it's also better to specify what type. So let's say you are modifying adding any features to sound files, and so you would include the .mp3, or if you are offering some kind of tooling for PDFs, then for local PDFs, then you can add file *.pdf, and that would include any PDF file. Okay guys, that's it for this video. In the next videos, we will continue exploring other permissions and see if you actually need them or not. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments in the section below. And if you want to share your extension, feel free to share it with the rest of us too. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you continue developing Chrome extensions. Bye!